not looking at the competence of the candidate. She's looking at personal interest. He abandoned me. Even if he's the best, he abandoned me. Me too, I'm going to abandon him. Yes, even if he's the one who will lead Ghana to the promised land, he abandoned me. So me too, I'm going to abandon him. What sick logic?
Adwoa, forget emotions. Forget emotions. No man can atopabia Kennedy balls that time, you know. Na beti ase. Hey, mami catch up. Ghana baby a Ghana do me. Ya for emotions in yadio. Hello, hi, Xposed GH. The name is Ben Bro. Subscribe, share. Militu man now on sir. I can be. Area so be a woni enti ochusu. Obi o hon ma say papa no we tenten we kama. Ghana I do presidential we ya. Obi aka bi say jeje no e fine man brutal. Kofo so dey no sexy eyes. Hwanya I say John Mahama so dey wo bossy who na ladies man. Eno I kufa do dey me enti om dey to aba no. Ene onu anonim because a short man. Baba so di yem. Mami can be sure. There are facts and there are what we call deceptions. Blakk Rasta, I make us say about Adwoa Kennedy. Adwoa Sorfoaa and himself were any baby mama, one in Waba. Now, I'm interview Adwoa Sorfoaa so on your back Kennedy because of something.
I heard she was a lawyer. Listen to what she said. I have decided not to support Kennedy because Kennedy abandoned me. She's not looking at the political nuances. She's not looking at the competence of the candidate. She's looking at personal interest. He abandoned me. Even if he's the best, he abandoned me. Me too, I'm going to abandon him. Yes, even if he's the one who will lead Ghana to the promised land, he abandoned me. So me too, I'm going to abandon him. What sick logic? My God, these are the people who are leading us. Common sense, 0. Arrogance, 2,000,000%. Ha! Well, a losing team can be identified from afar. People like this support that kind of team. My brother, my sister, today Adwoa Sorfoaa says she's in the camp of this guy. When is Baumia going to win another election? Even if the election was organized in his bedroom, and his wife and children and uncles and brothers and sisters were to vote, he will still lose. He can throw around all the money that he has. At the end of the day, and this is a prophecy, if he's not careful, a heart attack will shock him to the bone. And the whole of Ghana will see that this guy has been shaken by disappointment. Hallelujah. How many times do we need to tell this guy that this is an account party? And whoever was standing by him is gone after performing so abysmally for 8 solid years. The party is already disintegrated. The only man who is trying to bring the party together is this man that Adwoa Sorfoaa calls a man who abandoned her, Kennedy Japan. Oh yes, he's the only one who is preaching unity, unity, unity. What did they reward him with? 10 sins, as if it was the 10 commandments. 10 sins of Kennedy Japan. Yes, Kennedy Japan might be vituperative. He might be a bombshell, but he's better than a liar. The Quran says that a liar will never ever enter paradise, no matter how many religious funerals and religious houses he attends. The value is still the same. My brother, my sister, as for Adwoa Sorfoaa, I respect the fact that you have decided that you would go and chase Bawumia, but it is so politically sick. She lacks political maturity, and at the same time, I wonder where she went to school. I thought I heard she was a lawyer.
Adwoa, forget emotions. Forget emotions. No man can atopabia Kennedy balls that time, you know. Na beti ase. Hey, mami catch up. Ghana baby a Ghana do me. Ya for emotions in yadio. You might not like the man. You might not like him. But when it comes to competence, the track record, his loyalty to Mother Ghana. Don't go there. Eti Adwoa, a man some na woka no. Politically, that man has done enough to merit the presidency of Ghana. And I don't care how you take it. And Adwoa, where we sit to go ya pamo, eti wo kasa no, intimacy sa obi ti sa me. And also be or no so tiamia, why na adwin so betwama, ye ra Kennedy. Say waiting now ujina so now sabe, what's your abandon? Now when you abandoned Ghana, what were you doing? Adwoa, you were a lawmaker, parliamentarian, being paid with the taxpayers' money. You left Ghana because of your personal gains and went to sit somewhere for months. Kennedy was there for you. Now you say, oh, Abaneo. Abaneo. That is a personal score. You will never be a friend of personal issues. I don't care. What I care is what the man brings on board to me as a presidential person. And that's what I weigh. So forget about Abaneo. For what? Has it not been taking care of your kid? That is the father thing that we need to do. Oh yeah, is it not taking care of Nema? So what is it? Papa we need a builder, not a book reader. Then come there.
It is Ghana for the Omosheni Ejuma. Now, see, share politicians, especially among person contest social people for the NDC for you now. The no kasa individually, which may demonstrate to say, Obitma creating Juma Magana for a honorable Kennedy Japan. On his own, when the companies at the last count, then a number over 7,400 employees. In fact, the steel factory near Watema, close to Moto. That steel factory, Akase grid co, it's mama power generation, now going to operationalization. Once the company they are in operation, and on demand for workers for Ghana have 8,000. The boy maybe our only journalist because and I am for because oh ebia kwanya ya faso bi enjuma so your ankra no and say ubetime bi enjuma say we president no the a bit different but there some person am for who no say MPP no yeah believe in the friend no property owning democracy and I say private sector led private sector led job creation and then saying say aban be boa ankra for no met me be adwuma ama man for enya biaye nti ono individual na on his own no wait me be probably by the next election no maybe ono kwa wait me into ono kwa wait me be adwuma be 10,000 no onim ade a se oye businessman like himself omit mama adwuma na bi bibre ama man for enya biaye onim problems as a businessman all face even the push no push crowd maybe an campaign put in place the right structures maybe an kono kwa create maybe 100,000 but abai bi an maybe a yen down to 2 years or mine into no ntimi ma aba ani ankran ko person obi enjuma na be frustrating no nti ono no nim die wo ho no obehu kwan a e be identify individuals e be identify ye be take cooperatives ni ade a abai bi tima abo omo amometime bi enjuma na for the yin se Ghana for nyina se say no your biggest problem pa enjuma Ghana for be ni adwuma ye me wie university 2017 ja me so kakra na me fi 2017 e be pem ne me na fofo be bra me do ko university a o ma ben be a first class student e wie school be sine bi ho mo nya adwuma da onya permanent employment enye bi da e bi obeti an say NHIS and I say Ghana card for NIA for registration you have found 2 weeks no ko be san twen as can ba ebesi yisi for penipa kakara akwa ebi kakra sa but say na adwuma pe ne onu say na anopa me sori ko adwuma me so mitimi planning me work kakra mitimi de hwe me ne mabusua no
ya we bi mo read the book you be so of building with the hands ewiase ya ko book ma nipa tro ne ma bebre but eba actuality na nil Ghana baby ayedunu we need a builder ye hio bia oso adem se me ya oye ene na ho ode ne passing bia ena o set example for people to what follow enye sabe obia wo read book anu aba no obeka book na chen edu time ye de ye sense say ye no no apasa ne poto wo for city from 3 cities 40 pesos and do 17 cities. Fuel 1 liter na 4 cities or they do 17 cities. Inflation ekwaya go do 52%. Obi abem na nam 28%. Oba na inflation na 15. What you say? This man was touted as the wizard in economics. I'm talking about Dr. Baumia, fine gentleman, but about the nitty-gritty of economics and managing economy, he's none there. And now to say you're junior, I could like what control Ghana's economy, Ghana's economy are done it. And inflation, equal single what digits, full, maybe a number 12 cities. Now we say, who read the book? Why are there? When Patch said, we don't need book long people. We need practicality. Never practicality there. One man that me, I will stand for all the time. It's Honorable Kennedy Japan. I could pray. Osia, well, yeah. And yes, Sabi, Obi Obama Cabrofo, wash your tie. One catch him say the economic indicators, what don't graph be, where we are, sour bone, and you're not me pay. Me pobia obema me practicality obeba na fuo ebe drop it further here we don wa yebi but be drop it na about 7 cities me kwala me koto me car me eno na be ma yasan koto back to the V6 the V8 because we miss it here Ghana for obia kwa small car ohianti ya to car kase wo bi wo car kase no de asipie we can pen on the PA shame. We will go back to the time. Sabi, during that time, you see big cars on the road. Then you know Ghana is living large. This is the man who understand how it is said the Ghanaian will rise again. We need that. Yeah, Sadia, that's special. I Xposed GHFM member, subscribe, share. We need to manage our